Good evening, students. Next one is practical problems on median mode. That is, in case of individual series is given, all three together you will be finding out how you will do those problems. So each one I have given. Later I'll give you the other problems. So with this, measures of central tendency related to mean median mode, it will get over. Tomorrow in online class I'll start taking measures of dispersion. Now first problem, individual series, calculate the mean, median and mode for the following, roll number and age it is given. So again as it is you will write the question. Now what you have to do here, you have to total it. Total the age. Now what is the formula for mean? X bar equal to sigma x by n, 161 divided by how many roll number? 8 are there. So you will get 20.13. Median, what is the formula? Size of n plus 1 by 2th item. N is 8. 8 plus 1, 9 by 2. 9 by 2 is 4.5. So 4.5 means it comes in between 4 and 5. So you will add 21 plus 20 divided by 2. That is 20.5. So you can take it as median equal to 20.5. Now what will be the mode? Mode is whichever the number, highest number, how many times it comes. Even though highest is 22, only once it has come. Whereas 21, 2 times it has come. So that means 21 is the highest and 21 is the mode. Now this type of problems you will get in individual series, mean, median and mode. Now we will see the problem related to discrete series. So calculate the mean, median and mode from the following data given below. So discrete series they have given. Now what you have to do, as it is, first write x and f and fx you have to find out, and cumulative frequency. Why? Because I'll tell you first. In case of mean, in discrete series the formula is x bar equal to sigma fx by n. So for that only you have to find out fx. So 58 into 4, 60 into 12, 61 into 24, 62 into 32, like that you will multiply and you will add. Now what will be the formula? Sigma fx by n. So fx, if you total it, you will get 8092. And n is sum of total of frequency. So that is 130. 8092 by 130, you will get it as 62.25. Now, median. Median, what it is? Size of n plus 1 by 2th item. That is only the formula for median. Now, what is n? That is 130. 130 plus 1 is 131 divided by 2 is 65.5. 65 will come. In which one it will come, you have to see. For that what you have to do, you have to find out cumulative frequency. So cumulative frequency 4, 16, 16 plus 24, 40, 42 plus 32, 72, 72 plus 32, 104, 104 plus 16, 120, 128, 130. This and this are same. Now 65.5 means which cumulative frequency we have to see. It will be 40. It cannot be in 40. So that's why it is 72. Towards 72, what is x? 62. So that means median is 62. Now in case of mode, what we will do here is, so this is like empirical relationship. So that's why we will find out mode equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. So 3 median, what it is? 3 into 62 minus mean is 2 into 62.25. You will minus and you will find out. So at last, therefore, you will write all three together. Mean is 62, median 62, mode is 62. So like this only you will do the discrete series. Now, I have given continuous series here, but it is not continuous. Why? Because see, in case of continuous series, just like that you will write the question. There is nothing to do it. Whereas in case of, if it is not continuous, you have to make it continuous. For that reason only I have given this problem. So this is not at all continuous. What you have to do, 0.5 from the lower limit you will minus, and from the upper limit you will add 0.5. So like that only I have done. 3.5 to 7.5, 7.5 to 11.5, 11.5 to 15.5. Like that I have framed the class interval. And they have given f. I have taken that. Now what will be the x? This midpoint only will be the x. So how you will find out? 3.5 plus 7.5 divided by 2. That is 5.5. Now f into x. Why? Mean, in case of continuous series also, mean formula is mean equal to, that is x bar equal to sigma fx by n. So f into x you have found out. Now in case of median, the formula is also it will be the same only, but here you have to find out the cumulative frequency. So first mean you have found out. By multiplying f into x, you will total it. You will get 2095.5 divided by frequency total is 109. So you will get 19.22. Now coming to median, in case of continuous series, first you have to find out n by 2. So that is 109 by 2 is 54.5th item. So after finding out the cumulative frequency, this 54.5 item, which one it will come? It cannot be in 34, it can be only in 64. So that means the previous one will be the cumulative frequency, and next to it, whatever the frequency is there, that will be f. So what is that? Next to this 34 is 30. This is fx, so you leave it. Frequency, opposite to that it is 30. So that means the formula is like this: L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency by f into c. Lower limit is what? 16.5. So 15.5. 15.5 plus 54.5 minus 34 divided by 30 into 4, because this difference 27 minus 31.5, 27.5 minus 31.5 is 4 difference, so into 4 you will write. After minusing it, you will get 20.5 by 30, 20.5 into 4, that is 82, 82 divided by 30, you will get it as 2.73, 15.5 plus 2.73 is 18.23. So if it is continuous means, like that same thing you will write it. Instead, if it is not continuous, 0.5 to the lower limit you will deduct and 0.5 to the upper limit you will add. So, and here mode. So here in case of mode, you have to use the formula only. That empirical relation, it will not go. It will be only in case of discrete series. Now, what is the formula for mode? L plus Fm minus F1 divided by 2 F1 minus F1 minus F2 into C. Lower limit already you know 15.5. Fm is what? The highest frequency. So highest frequency means what you have to do? In the cumulative frequency, Fm. So in the in the frequency, not cumulative, in the frequency, which is the highest, you have to see. Highest is 30. So above that it is F1 and 30 is Fm and below that is F2. So 30 minus 18 divided by 2 into 30 minus 18 minus 15. So that is what I have written here into 4. So 30 minus 18 is 12. 2 into 30 is 60. Minus 18 minus 15 is minus 33. So 12 divided by 27 into 4. 12 into 24 is 48. 48 by 27 is 1.78. 15.5 plus 1.78, you will get 17.28. So at last you can write it, mean, median, mode together, all three answers. So with this, we are completing the chapter. So I want everyone to check this out. Complete it in the notes also. Up to this, you have to complete by tomorrow. Thank you.